Hey everyone, we might be in the middle of winter, but let's transform this dry feet into silky smooth feet by the end of this video. We're starting with our foot soak by adding 16 cups of warm water. If you truly want that silky feet transformation, watch till the end of this video because you will need the specific tools and products that I will be using to get that gratifying immediate change. With that said, I am doing an odorless foot soak, so no vinegar this time. Add half cup of Epsom salt, 1 cup of baking soda, and 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Make sure the water is on the warmer side because the fizzing reaction of all the ingredients results on a cooling process, so your water will start getting cold faster. I'm actually keeping a kettle of hot water next to me just in case. This foot soak really helped me soften the dead skin, and the fizzing water created this fancy spa treatment experience. At the end of the pedicure, my husband and I noticed that my feet came out cleaner and smoother than usual, and without the after smell that you usually get with apple cider vinegar. I did soak my feet for about 20 minutes, then I started removing the dead skin around my toenails. Your feet can get a bit powdery because this foot soak has a higher concentration of baking soda, so you can keep a moist towel around you to wipe your feet if needed. Once I'm finished with my toes, I start scrubbing my heels. I do get very dry heels and they tend to crack painfully. This Dr. Scholl's Nano Glass foot scrub is one of the tools I was telling you about that you must use to get that silky feet transformation. This fouler is so gentle yet crazily amazing at removing dry skin at the bottom of your feet, and it leaves no raspiness, just glassy smooth skin. The first time I used it, I was surprised by two things. One, the crazy amount of dead skin that was coming off my feet. I've never seen so much dead skin being removed. And two, how it left my heels feeling so soft and smooth like baby skin. This foot scrub has been so transformational to me that I had to give it its spotlight on this video. The only downside to it, I guess, is that you can't wet it too much because the glue attaching the glass will wear off. So don't use it under running water or dipping it in the water too much. It honestly works better when your feet is a little bit dry. If you have a very thick layer of dead skin like I did a few months back, then you can start off with this metal fouler that does an incredible job in removing layers, and I mean layers, of dead skin buildup. You can check out my other foot care video to see it in full action, and then finish it up with Dr. Scholl's fouler to get a glassy smooth feet. I will be adding the link to these two foulers in the description box, but don't click up yet. Those cracks and calluses will come back unless you know how to prevent them with the right routine and right cream. So the next step is to mix half a cup of brown sugar with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil to create a sugar scrub. I always love to use a moisturizing sugar scrub to gently exfoliate the sensitive areas between the toes and the top of our feet. Rinse everything off with clean water. Dry your feet with a clean towel. Evanel's 40% urea cream with 2% salicylic acid is another game-changing product I'm sharing with you. Urea cream has been proven to help moisturize and repair rough, dry skin. This cream is rated at 4.3 stars with over 20,000 reviews on Amazon. That speaks volume. I've been applying it daily, but this is an intensive care product, so use it with caution. You can also find urea cream of lesser concentration, like 20%. Whichever moisturizer you decide to use, I do suggest to use a silicone sock to help better retain moisture and increase absorption of the active ingredient on your cream. These socks will help you maintain your silky feet without overheating them because of the cooling layer of gel. Just to be clear, these are gel socks.